good morning. My name is Danielle and today we have a full day eating keto. So yeah, good morning. How are you? I hope you guys are having a great day. We are running late. We are running out the door. We have eye doctor's appointments for me, Sophie, and Becky, and Leo. So we are all on our way. Ray has already had hers done. So it's our turn and we need to get out the door. But I haven't eaten yet and it's almost 9 o'clock and I know that by the time this appointment ends and everything, I'm gonna be starving. So I'm gonna show you guys my meal replacement shake that I've been doing, keto friendly, so freaking good. And yeah, it's been like a lifesaver for me on these busy summer days with the kids and, you know, going to work and all such things. So all right, we're gonna make our shake. I'm gonna show you what's in it. All right, here it comes. All right, first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna start out with a cup of ice. Also, I've been making this for my dad, like when he goes to the gym with me, and it is legit so good. All right, next thing we're going to use is this unsweetened vanilla almond milk. This is just a Target brand. For 1 cup is 1 carb. So that's what we're going to use. I use a ton of ice and I like to use a like almond milk because I like it to be a little bit thicker and creamier. So, all right, I do have my stuff on a scale. We're gonna measure ourselves out 240 milliliters. Next thing I have are some fresh strawberries. I only have a couple because strawberries do have carbs, guys, and we just don't want to make it too carb heavy. So I have 4 little tiny strawberries. So I'm going to cut the sides off. These are already clean. I'm just going to drop them in there. All right, so the shake mix I'm going to be using is the 310 shake. This one is the vanilla flavor. Guys, I'm so excited to try this because I've been seeing them all over the place. But what I'm really digging is that they came out with a keto kit. So their macros are actually pretty clean for their shakes. It's only 2 net carbs. So I'm going to turn you guys around so you can see the nutrition. So 90 calories, 1 gram of fat, 7 carbs but 5 fiber, so only 2 net carbs, 15 grams of protein. But it is sugar-free, dairy-free, soy-free, egg-free, nut-free, and gluten-free. Love all of that, especially because it's sugar-free too, especially on keto. You got to watch that. And yeah, so grand total of 2 net carbs, and the scooper is huge. But don't fret, my friends, because I know you've seen that fat macro. They also came out with their own MCT powder, or oil, I'm sorry. So what I've been doing is I've been adding just the tablespoon of MCT oil to my shakes to give me that added fat, and this keeps me full for hours. I'm telling you, it's amazing. It's like my favorite thing right now, and especially because it's so cold and like it's hot here right now. So anyways, let's finish making this shake here. All right, back on the scale, I'm gonna take my MCT oil. I always give it a little shake. And I'm going to go ahead and add the 15 mLs to my shake. It's flavorless, guys, so don't worry. It's just that added fat, you know? There we go. Made a little mess, but that's okay. So next is going to add in our 310 shake. And I was really surprised for the macros how big the actual scooper is. It's like a good, decent amount. So. And the taste is really good. I'm really picky about my protein powders, and this stuff is really, really good. So, my scooper, I'll go ahead and add that in. Yes. So, I'm gonna add it to my little blender here. Okay, so like I told you guys, I like it to be really, really thick. To where like sometimes I even eat it with just like a spoon and treat it like almost like an ice cream because it tastes like really sweet like an ice cream. And yeah, so, but I'm gonna go ahead and throw it in my cup because I gotta go. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead, drink this on the way. We only got, it's only about half an hour drive or so. So yeah, but, so good. The strawberries and stuff like that really set it off. And then you can't even taste the MCT oil. It's actually pretty good. I was really surprised at how great the quality is. And these shakes are so freaking good. My kids actually come out because they think they're like a strawberry shake from like McDonald's or something. But they are delicious. My dad goes crazy over these. He'll call me and be like, can you make me one of those? So good. But all right, guys, I'm going to go ahead. I'll have this and then I'll see you probably in a couple hours. I don't know when we're gonna be back, and we'll see what's for breakfast or for lunch. Here's breakfast, 310 shake. If you guys are interested in checking these out, I'm gonna go ahead and link everything down below. Perfect for keto, perfect for any healthy lifestyle, guys. And the taste is on point. But all right, love you guys. Talk to you on the next meal. All right, so we just got home. It's 12:30. I'm a little hungry, not too much. I finished my shake, so that kind of kept me full. And yeah, so eyeglass appointment done. We are officially all good to go. Get these kids ready for school. So yeah, mom life, right? But anyways, I just have a salad in here and just some lettuce, some salami, some pepperoni, some sharp Kobe Jack cheese, one tomato, and I'm going to serve myself up some of that, top it with some of this Ken's creamy Caesar's dressing. This is 1 carb per serving. It's really good. And then on top, I'm gonna add these cheese crunches from High Key. Yeah, I really like them. And if you guys didn't see my last eating video, I said that I wanted to try them as croutons. So I was like, I'm gonna have that for a light lunch. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and make me a salad, and I will check in with you guys when I eat next. Okay, so we just came back from the grocery store for dinner tonight, and this is what we're going to make. I just told Leo, I said we should pick these up, and I wanted to make them so you guys can see them. These are actually really, really good. I don't know how to say it. How do you say it?
Longanisa.
Longanisa. So premium grilling sausage. They taste very similar to like a chorizo, but the casing is like better, I think. But anyways, look at these macros. This is why I wanted to share them with you guys. And for the both of these, I got 2 of them. They were 2 for $6, so it's $3 each. All right, so here are the macros. So it's 3 carbs for 1 whole link. Okay, so for this whole piece here, so it's pretty big. So I mean, I'm not gonna eat a whole one, so I'll probably only eat half because they are pretty high in fat. So if you think this is like very keto friendly, I was really shocked when we kind of stumbled upon this. So look at the macros. So there's 12 of fat, or I'm sorry, 17 of fat, 12 of protein, and 3 of carbs. So I thought that was pretty great. So we got 2 of those we're gonna have. So we finally found some avocados on sale. These are like, you have to eat them today. So we're gonna do probably like a little guacamole or something with it. So we picked up 3 avocados. We got some of this queso fresco. So I had seen, or Leo had seen somebody actually take this and fry it. So we're gonna do that. And I might see how we might do those eggplant refried beans again. If you guys have not seen that video, I'll link it above. I made refried beans with eggplant and it was pretty dang good. But anyways, yeah, so we picked these up. This particular brand, remember I told you guys not all cheeses, not all everything is made equally. So I feel like a lot of people just assume because they're cheese or whatever that they're all 0 carbs, and that's not absolutely true. So this one is 0 carbs, 6 grams of fat, and 6 protein. So I got my eyes checked today, guys. I didn't need glasses, so but yeah, so we picked that up. I got some low carb bread. Well, Leo did, because I don't eat it. And then hamburger and hot dog buns for my kids, because we're gonna make them some hamburgers on the grill. And then Leo picked up these lamb links. He's just gonna grill them for himself. He likes them, so we picked those up. And then when I was there, I'm gonna get ready to go to the gym pretty soon, and I had a taste for like one of these. And I've never tried the piña colada one, so I was like kind of excited to see it there. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and use this as my pre-workout today. And you know, if you guys are new here, Bang is very keto friendly because it's 0 everything. I really wish my camera would focus and stop playing these games. 0 fat, 0 carbs, 0 protein, 0 everything. So I don't know. I heard this one was really good. Everybody keeps talking about it. So I picked that up. And yeah, so all right, I'm gonna get ready to go to the gym, and I'll check on you guys later. But we are gonna make these on the grill. So Leo's gonna throw them on the grill, and then yeah, that's about it. All right, guys. All right, so I just opened it up. Obviously, here we go. Took a sip out of it to try it out. This is my first time trying this flavor, and it actually tastes just like one of those like piña coladas that you would get at like a restaurant, which is like good but weird because, you know, it's like supposed to be like an adult bevy, you know, but it's actually really good. So I'm gonna go ahead. I am going to have this. Leo's gonna make dinner for tonight. So yeah, when it's all done, I'll show you everything. And yeah, so all right, guys, off to the gym I go. All right, my friends, dinner is ready. So I just came home from the gym, got my workout in, and the honey cooked. So these are the eggplant like refried beans. I made them before. I will link the video like one of the cards like up here, and you could like check it out. This right here is grilled cactus, and right here is just a red onion we wrapped in foil and then just cooked it on the grill. And then we cut everything up and added some lime and some salt. It's really, really good. Yes, I'm aware that there is some onion or some carbs in the onion, but I don't have that much on there. It's mostly cactus, and cactus is delicious, guys. I'm telling you, you guys have seen me eat it before. It is bomb. You guys see me make that salad with it, but right here is just by itself. I also have some of that Mexican crumbly cheese. And then right here, I have a half of a small avocado, and I'm gonna throw some salt. And then right here are those sausages I showed you earlier. And then I took two little pieces of that crumbly cheese and I fried it and laid it on top. So this is what my plate looks like. That shake kept me pretty full. And then I had that salad, and then I just finished my workout and everything. So this is gonna be like my dinner. I'll let you guys know how much. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to finish all this, but I'll show you what I break down with. But all right, I'm gonna go eat my dinner and I'll be back. All right, so I am stuffed. I had like a half a serving of the like healthy refried beans. I had half of that sausage, so half of that cheese, and then I had the avocado, and then I ate the cactus. So that's what happens, guys. Sometimes your eyes are bigger than your belly. With keto, you know, you tend to get fuller quicker because of the higher fat. You know, I had someone ask me like, oh, I thought I'm supposed to hit all my macros. You eat until you're full. Don't overdo it. Don't make yourself sick. You have to listen to your body, because, you know, it's just the right way to go. You know, if you find yourself starving on this way of eating, then you have to readjust and say, hey, maybe I didn't get enough fat in for the day. But keto should keep you full for a very long time. So it's doing it for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and yeah. That's what was left from dinner. So I'll check in later, my friends. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this full day of eating with dessert. And I was having a sweet tooth. So right here is the Rebel ice cream. This is the mint chip. Not my favorite, but guys, I don't know what happened. This stuff is like impossible to find. I went to like 2 different stores yesterday looking for it. So I went ahead and picked this up. This is like 71 grams. So it's only 1 net carb. So you see, sugar, alcohol, fiber, all such things. So 1 net carb. And then on top is just some crumbs of these mini cookies, the chocolate chip cookies from High Key. These are bomb.com, man. These are the legit goodness. So I'm gonna count that as 1 carb. I don't even know how many crumbs are in there, but my family is digging these. So yeah, that's my dessert, and I'm going to enjoy it. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this full day of eating. Hopefully this gave you some inspiration and motivation to go ahead and get your day started. If you guys are interested in checking out that 310 shake, which I highly, highly suggest, super easy, super good, tons of flavors, and now is keto for all of us. And that MCT oil was legit, so I was pretty excited for it, and it was really filling. So I will link everything down below. Go ahead and check it out. You will not regret it. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna have my ice cream, I'm gonna relax and wrap this up. If you guys are new here, hello, my name is Danielle, and we friends around here, and we do a little bit of everything, including keto. But all right, guys, I love you so much, and I will see you on the next one. Bye, guys.